Today we're exploring the most gigantic cave I've ever seen in my life. Look at this cave. Sot Cave. This is Sot Cave in Halong Bay, Vietnam. Come along with me as we go exploring. This cave has some incredible things to see. Some of the rock formations are unbelievable. I'm super excited to explore this cave. It's gonna be amazing!
Be sure to subscribe and put a like for this video.
Some parts of the cave are very narrow, like this part. This was a really tight squeeze going through here. The cave was so cool to walk through because it was so big. Cool.
Biggest cave I've ever been in.
And there were so many stalactites and stalagmites. I was really surprised at how big it was because I wasn't expecting it to be super big. I was expecting it to be quite small. The red stalactite is awesome.
What do you think so far, Rhea?
It's really interesting.
You ever been in a cave like this before?
Yes, yesterday. Yesterday was
it this big?
When you walk through the cave, you're going to see some awesome rock formations, and you're going to see some really cool spots inside the cave. It looks so cool with the sun shining into the cave. What we did is we went in through one end, and we went all through the little pathways and came out the other end, and it was so cool to see all the little tight spaces that were really dark, and then all the light spaces with the sun shining through. Some spaces are huge! Throughout the entire cave, there are colored lights projected on the rocks to make them look even more interesting. This part of the cave is so big I can only describe it as cavernous. Get it?
Someone says, yeah, look like the finger. Yeah, finger. Yeah. For me, it look like something else. Depends on imagination.
Sot Cave is one of the most beautiful in all Vietnam. It is on the island of Bu Hong in Halong Bay.
Look at the ceiling, it's so cool.
We are still walking. This cave goes on forever.
This is the biggest cave I've ever been in.
It's amazing. I've never seen a cave like this.
My impression of Sot Cave is that it's so big but so cool and so worth it. This cave is a very popular tourist destination in Halong Bay. As a result, thousands of people visit here each day. Some parts of the cave are crowded, but it's not too bad. This is a really big place, so you just follow the pathway and walk through the cave.
Hi, we're in Halong's biggest cave.
I have been in other caves before, but what makes this one unique is that it's so big, and there's so many stalactites and stalagmites.
My favorite thing to do at Halong Bay is look at the monkeys, because they were so cute, and because I learned all about them in grade 2. Here's the link.
This place is huge.
Pretty neat.
Sot Cave is also called Surprise Cave. That's because you enter through a narrow slit And then the cave opens up into a massive cavern, surprising the visitors with an incredible beauty inside. Oh, hi.
Pretty amazing, isn't it? Spectacular.
Look at the amazing ceiling. And that view there is simply unbelievable.
That's my lava pit down there.
We're on our way out now.
I think this part of the cave is the most beautiful. The colors on the rock formations and ceiling, and the lights shining in the cave opening make this view amazing. This part looks so cool, and it's also really, really, really big.
Going up now?
My impression of Halong Bay overall is that it's so pretty and there's such amazing views everywhere and such cool caves.
Tomorrow we will be leaving Halong Bay. It's going to be sad to leave such a beautiful place, but there is a new adventure coming up. Halong Bay was an insanely beautiful place to visit, and I highly recommend that you come here for a visit. Remember, if you do come to Halong Bay, that one night or a day trip is not enough. Try to stay for at least 2 or 3 days.
Go right now and subscribe to my channel and hit the like. Pick one of these awesome videos to watch next.